Hey, welcome back, everyone. A little bit of more overcast skies today, but why is our humidity value so low? The main reason is, well, we actually have these clouds coming in just ahead of this cold front, and unfortunately, all these clouds are in the upper part of the atmosphere, so it's still very dry, hence that increased fire risk. Temperatures nice and toasty too, 77. You get a bit of that wind, 18 miles an hour, not too bad, but here's where we're starting to get into the whole, all right, let's prepare for tomorrow. Make sure to bring in all of that loose stuff indoors, because basically the northern half of our region is under that high wind warning, meaning they can see wind gusts up to 65, if not more, in terms of miles per hour. Everyone south, closer to the Rio Grande, 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts, if not a little bit higher than that as well. Everyone is going to be under that red flag warning, even all the way to DFW, Waco, Austin, San Antonio, and possibly even farther south. My map doesn't go down that far, so there's that. Increased fire risk. It's hot, it's dry, it's going to be really windy on top of everything. You want to make sure that you guys are following that fire safety and, of course, even that wind safety too. Here's that radar. Wow, it's actually active. I know we haven't seen an active radar in a bit, but there's no rain associated with any of this because that cloud cover, it's too high up in the atmosphere. Once we see humidity values getting closer to 90% to 100%, that's when we could see rain. We're not seeing rain, unfortunately. But you know what? Hey, tonight, I'm going to get out of the way here. We're actually going to see that total lunar eclipse right around 1:30. You're going to start to notice this morning or tomorrow morning that it turns that blood moon right around 2:30, and then it starts to come back out right around 3:30, almost 4 a.m. As long as the sky stay nice and clear, we should be good to go. It's going to be quite nice. Ironically, blood moon just before we get a bunch of dust storms. Whew, they'd be singing sailor songs about this, that's for sure. Windy tonight, winds 20 to 25 with those gusts up to about 30, 35. Average low about 10 degrees warmer than average just because you have that strong wind. But here's going to be some of those travel alerts. Tomorrow, driving, unless you absolutely have to, I do not recommend it. You want your headlights on. We're in a very limited visibility. People aren't going to be able to see you all that well too. Window washers too. Maybe make sure you fill that up before you head out the door. Dusty and dirty windows, and you got strong winds. So we're talking both hands on the steering wheel. You want to make sure that you're staying in your lane. Again, I only recommend driving if it's absolutely necessary because it is going to be very bad. Here's that front. We're moving through pretty early in the morning and then goes just gone. We have those winds really beginning to pick up throughout the afternoon and into the evening, even lasting into your Saturday. What is this? A little precipitation, maybe some potential mix to snow in those high elevations. It's possible. I'm not looking at widespread coverage though, maybe 10% if we are lucky. But let's look at those winds, see how strong they're going to be getting up to. Tomorrow morning, already up to 50 miles an hour in Hobbs, 45 in Carlsbad, 36 for Midland. Middle of the day, 70 in Carlsbad, 50 in Odessa Midland, 56 in Pecos, and it's going to be lasting into the afternoon, into the evening, and even into your Saturday, although Saturday not too bad. Take what we can get at this point. So here's your next 7 days. We're going impact alert because of those strong winds. A little bit calmer on Saturday, but still breezy. Sunday is great. Monday, St. Patrick's Day, it's going to be windy, but you know what? We can do a little jig about it because it's going to be windy into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Jolena?
Gotta love those West Texas